Everyone gives exam. I hope that. And after you give your exam, a thing called result comes out. Timing in my mind, it's within the minute and I ain't nobody perfect. Which is enough to make you appear on the TV as the topper or appear on the TV as the son who got kicked out of the house due to his result. But results are mighty warriors. News channels will be ready as always and they will be able to tell each and every information of the exam that even all teachers don't know. Then there are various steps. Education boards won't release one result at one time. They will give out results of class 10, then class 12. Why you do this? But exams will be coming before result. So let's talk about it a little bit. Everyone will be super scared and students like us who study too much will wake up for the whole night and try to memorize the whole syllabus in one night, and in simple words, we fool ourselves every year. And even books don't support us at that time. One page will be torn by your friend and the other will have a drawing by your artistic friend, and few pages even eat food and the marks of food make it clearer. So you walk into the hall for exams, then your best friend will come to you telling that he won't even pass with a hand on his head. Remember this, we will need this afterwards. I won't tell anything more about exams in this video because the video would get too long. I will tell about it in another video. So you complete your exams and spend 1 month in extreme joy posting stories on Instagram. Hashtag enjoying in USA. Hashtag going to water park. Hashtag dancing on the road. And here I don't have the money to go to my friend's house. Results come in two parts. One the time before and while checking your result, and the next after your result. And then 1 week before exam, you will be tensed and you can't sleep for nights after nights, and cellular companies will have the most profit at that time as we will call our friends at least 5 times a day. Then finally the day comes, but let me give a little context about one day before results. You are tensed and your parents are even more tensed about your result. You are walking from bedroom to living room to bedroom to bathroom and calling your friends sometimes in exception. Then you eat and half of the food stays in your mouth and go to sleep, and you can't sleep for the whole night, and when you sleep with your eyes open.
Stop it. Get some help.
Then the next day finally arrives, the conclusion day. As I call it, you will wake up with millions of dreams and suddenly realize that today is your result. Then you sit in front of your computer or take your mobile, but in classes which are smaller, either you or your parents go to your school. Let's resume. Then you check your results, you type your roll number and then your name. I won't tell them one by one, wasting my time. Then the result page will open, but as it opens, you will see this thing written. The link or URL is broken. Then you try again and again and finally the page opens. Then you see your result. That's it. What more? Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you. Shut up. Then you tell your full result to your parents. Now there may be two outcomes, but they do have the same conclusion. Outcome 1, you get your marks less than 90% and you are considered to do nothing in life. Then your parents will tell you that you will not get a good job if you don't score well, and then nothing happens. 2 or 3 days will pass and then you are back to your normal life. Outcome 2, you score above 90%, but if you score less than 95%, then you are not so good but good student. And if you score above 95%, then you are so good not so good student. Your parents will ask you about your 5 to 10 marks lost in total and you will be sad. Then your parents will tell you that you will not get a good job if you don't score well, and then nothing happens. 2 or 3 days will pass and then you are back to your normal life. As I said, the outcome is same for the both. Then you will be sitting upset for 1 week, and when you are going to be happy, then you see a random website on the internet stating about hard work of toppers who scored 100%. Then you go back to the same state, but the hype goes away with our sadness with time. You will see newspapers and news channels having topper as their headline and breaking news, and they won't even care about anything else. Corona is hitting hard and cases have crossed almost 15 million mark. Nah, just repeat telecast the toppers whole day. But in the interview, the toppers you see are enough to send you to your previous sad state once again. Once I was watching an interview and the guy was telling, I don't study that much. I just study for 3 to 4 hours every day after coming from school. Then I went to play and then I came home, studied for another 1 hour, and that's it. But then the principal is like, yeah, sure, like he was a bright student, but I never saw him before today. And I came to know that he is our student. And this is not true, but he was the captain of the school's football team, cricket team, volleyball team, baseball team, basketball team, polo team, hockey team, and much more. So I have to believe that he played 11 sports at the same time and was the captain and then he topped. That's why we call them topper. I guess that. And then someone else is also there to attack your emotions. Guess, right. Relatives. If you have any of your sibling in the same grade as you, then I congratulate you. Because he may be your uncle's grandfather's daughter's husband's, cousins, niece, son, mother's, daughter's, nephew's, niece. But you are in the same grade, I see, so calls will be coming from different relatives and you are half dead answering their calls. But the main battle is still left. You are compared with your uncle's grandfather's daughters, husbands, cousins, niece, son, mothers, daughters, nephews, niece. And if your cousin gets more mark than you, then he's the winner, or if the opposite happens, then you are the winner. So if you score more than him or her, then you are out of danger for a moment. But if you get less, I don't know what to do. Do you remember the best friend we talked about in the beginning who said that he couldn't even pass? He will come walking towards you and say that he has topped the school. Results are amazing, though I got good and bad grades and still have a lot left. So let's hope for the best, and I am going to wish you all for what you got, and even I got good enough marks. I guess that. Don't worry if you get less marks and no one gives you a job, because then you can start your own business. Modern problems require modern solution. So thank you for watching this video. You can see my thumb somewhere under this video. So click on it to become my friend and subscribe to become a student of ABC Osbos College. Thank you. Peace. See you later.
Not again. It's a rich thing.